Hello. So today we're gonna be talking about news that Plant Ix announced recently. So one of their news, the new news, is that Metashare Staking is now active. So it just opened up today on February 10. They opened up Metashare Staking. They opened up Metashare Staking, and Metashare staking is similar to energy staking and IXT staking if you've staked before, but except we're not staking energy or IXT, we're going to be staking Metashare. So what is a Metashare? So I'll just go over this very quickly. I'm not going to really go in detail of the new news. I'm just going to go on to like what Metashare staking is and how to do it. So but like if you want to read all of this at your own time and learn more about it, I will put this in the link down below so you can read at your own time. So anyways, what is Metashare? So Metashare, there's different types of Metashare assets. So there's three different types. There's Newlands LCC Metashare, and then there's Y Metashare, and then there's Lucky Cat Metashare. Each of these Metashare that we stake, they will all be able to stake it in the Ix Foundation, and these rewards and these meta shares that we stake, whatever Planet Ix or Ix Foundation like receives or gets from it, it's just gonna go back into our rewards and into our game and making the game better. So it's just gonna go right back up to us, gonna help us make the game better and stuff like that. So it's gonna go to a different part of department in the game. But you can just read more about it over here because I'm not gonna spend too much time on this video. It's not gonna be too long. I just wanna go on this very briefly. So let's go. Let me explain how to stake Metashares. So the main reason for this video is to give you a brief update, but also mainly to show you how to stake Metashare. So if you go onto Ix Foundation Metashare, you will be able to see this Metashare staking. But if you're unable to locate this in the Ix Foundation and able to go to locate Metashare staking in the Ix Foundation, I will just share you this link to this page in the description down below to make your life easier. Anyways, let's get into it. So there's different types of Metashare you can stake. There's Newland LLC, and there's Lucky Cat, and there's Y Metashare. So you will stake this, and you will be able to claim it after 30 days. So usually, when you stake something, it's gonna be staked in there for an epoch or a period, and it's usually for 30 days. So this one, your meta shares will be there for 30 days, and you will be able to claim your rewards after that period. Anyways, let's get into this. So right now, there's three different types of meta share you can stake. Oh, I already mentioned it. So Newland LLC, Lucky Cat, and Y meta share. So you have the option to just take Newland's LCC, or just take the Lucky Cat, or just take the Y meta share. Or you also have the option to stake all of these three, or just take one or two of these different types of meta share. But it's up to you. So right now, I'm just gonna show you. For example, I choose to stake a Newlands LCC Metashare and a Y Metashare. I choose to do that. How do I do that? So I just go down over here, and then over here, there are different types of Metashares, and you will be able to choose which one you want to stake. So, for example, I want to stake Newlands Metashare. So I locate that over here, it says Newlands. And what I do is I just stake it. I click on stake and I put 1. So right now my balance is at 1. Now I'm gonna put 1 because I want to stake it. And then I have read and understand stake funds. And then I'm gonna approve it on my MetaMask. Okay, so it's been successfully submitted. Now I just wait. Now I'm gonna go down again and I'm gonna click on this. Y Metashare. So I wanna stake Y Metashare. So I'm just gonna go here and locate this Y Metashare. The Y Metashare is like a green with a Y. And I'm just gonna click on stake. And now I'm gonna stake 3 of my Y Metashare. And I have red. I'm gonna stake the funds. And now I'm gonna confirm it. And now I'm gonna wait. And that's how you stake Metashares in the X Foundation. That's how you do it. Now success, see transaction success. And right now it says over here staking, share stake. I have 3 Metashare stake, and then my daily rewards is 0.6 IX daily. And over here, my daily rewards is 0.27 daily. So over here, I stake 1 Newland LLC Metashare. I stake 1 of it, and my daily rewards is 0.27. And for my Y Metashare, I stake 3 of them, and my daily rewards is 0.6 daily IXT. So that's how you stake Metashares. And I will put all of the resources in the links that you need down below to make your life easier. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and our other videos as well. Hit the notification bell, subscribe to our channel, comment down below for any other more videos that you want us to make so we can make them for you. Okay, thank you, bye-bye. That's it for this video.